To send Bitcoin on Webull, start by opening the Webull app and logging into your account. If you have not already, you will need to enable two-factor authentication and complete any necessary identity verification steps. Once logged in, navigate to the cryptocurrency section of the app by selecting the Markets tab and then Cryptocurrencies. From here, find Bitcoin in the list of available cryptocurrencies and select it to view its current price and your holdings. Next, select the Trade button and then choose the option to sell or send. Since you want to send Bitcoin, select Send. You will then be prompted to enter the recipient's Bitcoin address. Carefully enter the recipient's Bitcoin address, making sure to double-check that it is correct. A single incorrect character can result in the loss of your Bitcoin. You can also choose to send Bitcoin to a wallet you have previously used by selecting it from your address book. After entering the recipient's address, you will need to specify the amount of Bitcoin you want to send. You can choose to send a specific amount of Bitcoin or a specific dollar amount. Before confirming the transaction, review the details to ensure everything is correct, including the recipient's address and the amount of Bitcoin being sent. Also, be aware of any transaction fees that will be deducted from your account. Finally, confirm the transaction and wait for it to be processed. This may take several minutes, depending on the current state of the Bitcoin network. Once the transaction has been confirmed, the recipient will receive the Bitcoin and you will see the updated balance in your Webull account. It is essential to keep in mind that Bitcoin transactions are irreversible, so it is crucial to exercise caution when sending Bitcoin to ensure you are sending it to the correct address. Additionally, always prioritize security and only use reputable and trusted platforms like Webull to manage your cryptocurrency transactions.